Today I'm going to show you how to change the ink cartridges on a HP Deskjet 2710. Now this is ever so quick and can be done from the printer itself, and you don't even need to include the buttons found on the control panel of the printer here. What we do want to do is get down in front of the printer where paper feeds after printing. So down in front of the printer, this is the paper tray where it feeds through, and what you're looking for is this little hatch here which has like a small handle at the back, and basically we just get our finger on this and pull down so it flops down. Your printer will realise that this door's been lowered, slide the cartridges over into the replacement position. Now to get these out, just put your finger on top of the relevant cartridge. You've got colour on the left, black on the right, and they've normally got like a raised bit here you can pull down on quite nicely. So like comes down, take them on out, get your fresh cartridge, you slide them in at an angle like that. The kind of curvature within the cradle will feed it in roughly the right direction anyway, but it gets to a point where you have to apply a bit of pressure and it clicks into place, and you know it's good to go. Obviously if you've got the black cartridge to change as well, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, click this back up into position and your printer will check the cartridges, and as long as the printer is happy with the cartridges installed, you'll see estimated ink levels displayed here, and no LED lights lit underneath indicating the colour on the left and the black on the right. If however you have some LEDs lit, it should be pretty obvious whether it's the colour or the black, despite the fact there's only one LED based upon what you've changed. But if you've changed both, just mix and match, work out where the problem lies and replace whichever cartridge it is. But that's it for now. I hope you found what you were looking for here. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.